Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetrading.com making this video about gold. So let's get started. So this is a daily chart I made on 14th April showing here that we are probably going to go up for wave 5, blue count, finish with this wave 3, right? And out of that, we were like within wave 1, right? So we were doing wave 1, and I said, well, somewhere here, we're going to finish wave 1, and then we're going to drop for wave 2, maybe 61% or 78%, and then go to the upside for wave 3. So nicely, it went up there and then started to come down, but it started to come down and it did this. Came down here, but then it started to go up. I says, okay, good. This is wave 2. And I made the chart, but I'm not showing here. So I said maybe it's wave 2 ended here and we're gonna go straight to the upside. But it went up there and then started to come down. So I said, okay, now it's coming down to at 61% or 78%, and then the wave 2 will be finished. Based on what? Based on let me show you the diagram. It's right there. So this is how usually what happened. Either from this point, the price straight go to the upside to 100% of 127 or 161 target, possible targets, or it comes down again, creating this ABC correction, and then go to the upside to these targets, one of these targets, right? So that's exactly what happened. And you can see that here, daily chart. Let me show you the daily chart. Today, what happened? Came A, B, and nice kiss to the 61% line with C finishing, and we are now kind of like bouncing. Right. So this is it. Now, this small area from B to C on a 4-hour chart, you can see here that this is small wave 1, 2, 3, and then this is wave 4, A, B, C. And after that, it started to come down for wave 5. So these 5 waves ended with C as well as this wave 2. So from 4 to 5 coming down, I had a short. I found the entry from smaller time frame and got it. This is the Elliott wave count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From here to here, 1,000 pips. Got it, and I got out. Now it gave me a long entry, and since I'm expecting a bounce from here, so you can see that the long came from this chart, the smaller time frame, right there. This is the long right now, right? So we are in the long, and I'm like very few pip on the risk right now, right? And if it comes down, take me out, no problem, no hard feeling. But if it goes well, go to the upside, then I'm in the game, right? So this is exactly what's happening for our chart. Let me show you. This is the chart I made that, either this area or this area, 61%, beautiful bounce. We are going to the upside, nice and clean. So let's see what happened now. On the weekly chart, let me just show you that this is exactly what happened. This is wave 3 ended, wave 4 ended here, then wave 1, 2, and then we go to the upside. Now, many times you saw my harmonic patterns that 50 to 23 or 78 to 61 to 23 and then 78. So if you pull the fifth from the top to this here, right? Notice that we touched the 50% and then now we are sitting at 20% line exactly. So 50 to 23 is the calculation for what we call a bad pattern, and it's supposed to go to 88%. In my case, it's going to be the wave 3 actually. This is wave 2, wave 1, wave 2. This 88% will create basically wave 3. Then we're going to drop a little bit for wave 4, and then nice wave 5 to the upside. I don't know how far we're going to go, maybe 127 or 161, I don't know, right? So this is how we are going to go to the upside and finishing this wave 3. Now, where this wave 3 come from? Monthly chart, you look at it, this is wave 3. So this big wave 1 and 2, right, big bracket waves, then wave 3 is coming. So that wave 3 would be this wave 3, by the way, right? That would be in 5 waves. So that out of that, we have 1, 2, and we are in 3 of this wave 3. After that, we're going to drop for wave 4 and then wave 5. That will end wave 3 of this bracket. Then come with big wave 4 to the downside. So on and so forth, blah, 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 right? Elliott wave drama. Wave within wave within wave. So, but for now, concentrate on the daily chart and whatever the chart you're using to make the entry. I already made my entry using my own Renko charts here, my system, and right now here, right? Even now, right now, this is the entry. No, this is the entry here. So you see, right now I am like 89 positive. But my game is big game. I'm not in a small drama, right? For 30, 40 pips, So I'm gonna hold on to it and at least look at the daily chart. So if not anything, maybe I want to go back here at least close. Maybe it will dip again and then go up again and find the entry. So from here on, if we are going to go here, I will have multiple trades. In and out, in and out, in and out, and this is how the game is. All right, so just wanted to share with you guys that this is what's happening. This is what I said that's going to happen, and exactly the same thing happened. And we are bouncing now from 61%. Get ready. We're going to go up long way to the upside, hopefully, right? If I'm right. And we must stay above these two levels here. This one, 4401 and 4381. Basically, let's say 4401. We must stay, all right? If I'm wrong, we're going to go down. We go below 4401, upside is null and void. If we stay above 4401, upside is the game. All right, so this is it for now, and I talk to you guys in some other video. By the way, visit my website. Omar did an amazing job there, and he, using the AI and all of that, he changed the whole website, and yeah, it looks beautiful. So this is it for now, and talk to you guys later.